I will go ahead and show you footage from this dash camera as I talk about it, just so you can kind of get an idea and see what the footage is like. Now, it does have 3 cameras. It has a front camera, it has a camera that faces the inside of a vehicle, and then it has a rear camera as well. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let's go ahead and kind of look at the setup and installation for this. This is the Model X5. Let's go ahead and set this up before we install it. So here you have the actual dash cam. You can kind of rotate and move this front camera, and then there is a camera pointing into the car as well. So it comes with a cleaning cloth, a tool to conceal the cable. Here is the rear camera, which is USB-C to USB-C, which is really nice. The camera can slide out very easily with this plastic piece, and they have an extra one in case you need it with an extra adhesive. Here's the main power cable, also USB-C. And it comes with 3 of these pieces. You put this on the windshield, and then you will attach this. Let's go ahead and plug this in. It does have a touch screen, or there's the navigation menu below as well. I will point out that it does come with a TF card already, 128 gigabytes. Oh, and it wants me to put that card back in. Sure thing. We'll do reconfigure to see if we can get this into English. So swipe down for quick settings. Swipe up for video playback. That's nice. Swipe right to display cameras. Swipe left to access camera settings. Okay, cool beans. So even though you do have the menu buttons down below, it makes it really easy to navigate with the touch screen. So we can go through all of the recordings that we have here. In the settings, I don't want to show you everything and just kind of walk you through what they have here. You can kind of look for yourself, but let's go ahead and check the resolution. So right now it's at 4K 30 frames per second. I'm pretty happy with that. And that's for the front camera. The inside camera is 1080p. We'll go ahead and leave it as is. If you're in your car, it will show the GPS status. One thing to point out that it does have voice command. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And then if you want to see the list of voice commands, you can say take picture. What I would typically use this for is to show rear camera if you're backing up or something like that. Another thing to point out, this does have Wi-Fi, so you can turn the Wi-Fi on, and you would want to do that if you are going to use the app. So this is the QR code for an app, and the app is called WOLFBOX. So I will go ahead, turn Wi-Fi on, and with Wi-Fi on, I can now add a device. The dash camera will show you the SSID and password. So the first thing that the app does is it allows you to view using the app. I can record a video this way if I would like. I can also go to the saved video files, and I can view all the video files here. And I can also go to device settings. So if you would rather use your phone to set up the dash cam, which honestly in some ways is a little bit easier, then you could do it this way. But for the most part, I just like the defaults. So let's go ahead and install this. I really don't want to share my opinion too much on this dash camera. I'd rather just show you the footage I have from this so you can see for yourself if this is what you are hoping for or looking for in a dash camera. The main things to point out that make this somewhat unique as a dash camera is just that it does have the 3 cameras, which is really nice that you can get the interior of your vehicle as well as the front and the rear. It's nice that it comes with its own storage. It also has a button so you can easily save some footage. So if you see something and you want to keep that and not override it, you can just press the button. The setup for this is pretty easy and straightforward, especially if you use the app. You can see everything nice and clearly. I didn't have any problems setting this up. As far as clarity goes, here's a test I did in my backyard. I kind of have a fake license plate, and I walk at different distances to see at which point I can actually read the license plate. So hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of what the clarity is like for this dash camera. Overall, I've been really happy with this. I've used WOLFBOX dash cameras before, and I really like the quality. I like the simplicity, how easy it is to set up. This is a really nice dash camera.